Aipas M2 e-bike usage tips. How to power on. Locate the main power switch, a red button on the bicycle's down tube. Toggle it to the position to energize the entire bike. On the left handlebar, find the motor controller. Press and hold the central power button for 2 seconds to turn on the system. How to change gears using the throttle. Gear shifting is coordinated with throttle operation. Deploy the kickstand to ensure the rear wheel is suspended. As shown in the video, the large number O on the LCD display in the middle of the handlebar indicates the current speed. The smaller yellow number O below it shows the current level of the pedal assist system pause. Press the plus button above the power key on the motor controller to increase the pause level by 1. The small yellow number on the display will update simultaneously, indicating the current level. Rotate the throttle, and the speed will update in real time. Press the plus button to shift to a higher gear, and the speed will increase accordingly. How to remove the speed limit. First, press and hold both the plus and buttons on the motor controller for 2 seconds until the numbers on the display flash. Then, press and hold the plus button until 08P appears. Next, press the I button once to enter the speed setting menu. You will see the number 20 flashing in the lower right corner of the display. Press the plus button once on the motor controller. The display will now show 62 flashing, indicating the maximum speed can be set up to 62 km per hour. Finally, press and hold the I button for 2 seconds to save the settings and return to the main interface, confirming the speed limit is successfully removed. Test the settings. Shift the motor controller to the highest gear and rotate the throttle. The speed should reach up to 36 km per hour to verify the new setting. How to install the seat post. Open the seat post clamp, insert the seat post, and then tighten the clamp. If the seat post feels slightly loose or wobbles sideways, it indicates it is not sufficiently tightened. Locate the nut beside the seat post clamp and turn it towards you. Tighten it to an appropriate position to secure the clamp firmly, ensuring the nut has proper tightness to prevent the clamp from becoming loose. Perform a shake test to check if the seat post is securely installed and does not wobble. Finally, adjust the seat post to a comfortable height based on your stature. How to shift gears. Derailleur. Change gears by pressing the shifters on the right handlebar. The mechanism involves the derailleur and the chainrings. Using the largest chainring lowest gear makes uphill cycling easier, while using the smallest chainring highest gear facilitates achieving higher speeds on flat or downhill terrain.